going to share my learning about clouds. Okay, friends, so have you seen those floaty things in the sky? They're clouds. Well, we all wonder what are what are what are clouds? What are the types of clouds? We all wonder all those questions, right, friends? So, in today's video, we will cover all about clouds. So the topic today is clouds, as you see in this slide. And by my name. Okay, friends. So we see the main types of clouds, right, friends? So there are three types of clouds. Okay, friends, so we'll explore the first one, cumulus clouds. So now we are going to see all about cumulus clouds. So cumulus clouds are fluffy white clouds can be like a clumped up, a squished, all those shapes. Okay, friends, and here this is the weather when they're seen. They are seen in fair and sunny weather. Fair and sunny weather means like in pleasant and sunny weather when it's warm. Okay, friends, some people describe it as a cotton ball. Like how cotton balls will be like in circular shape, like that. So, friends, I'm showing you like this kind of things are like a cumulus clouds. Okay, friends, now we got the second type, stratus clouds. Okay, friends, but what are stratus clouds? Stratus clouds are gray and straight clouds. Gray and straight means like they're gray in color and their shape is straight. Just like a blanket, right, friends? Okay, friends, now they are seen in cloudy and rainy weather. So cloudy and rainy weather is like when the weather is kind of not really warm and it kind of is rainy and a bit cloudy. They can also be seen when it's drizzling. That means lightly raining. Okay, friends, and the stratus clouds are described as a gray blanket. Do you know why they're described as a gray blanket? Because a gray blanket will be like smooth and gray. That is how stratus clouds act. Okay, friends, so this is a picture of a stratus clouds. See, gray, everything is gray. Okay, friends, our third type. Can you guess what that is? Yes, if you said cirrus clouds, you're correct. Okay, friends, now we'll talk about the cirrus clouds. So cirrus clouds are curly and white clouds. They're like a curly and swirly. They're also white, like cumulus clouds. Okay, friends, so they can be seen in fair and sunny weather, like cumulus clouds. Do you notice that cirrus clouds can be like a curly and the fact about cirrus clouds is that they not always be curly, but they can sometimes be light. Like in this picture of cirrus clouds. And then it is described as a ponytail because a ponytail is like kind of curly. Okay, friends, so now this picture is cirrus clouds that are not really curly. Okay, friends, to the next page. More about clouds or facts. Okay, friends, and the first fact is about how about cirrus clouds. So, our first one is that cirrus clouds are made of parts from cumulus clouds and stratus clouds. Wow, that's amazing, right, friends? Actually, the cumulus clouds give its color, while the stratus clouds gives it its shape. Okay, friends, cumulus clouds are white, so it transfers that cumulus clouds to cirrus, making it white. And the stratus clouds mix up along with the cumulus clouds and create some whippy kind of shaped clouds that are cirrus clouds. Our second fact. Clouds can form in different sizes, shapes, and colors. Do you know what, friends? There are actually more than 100 types of clouds. There are more than 100 types of clouds, so they can form in different sizes, shapes, and colors. Okay, friends, to the next fact. Clouds are white when the weather is fair, and when the weather is cloudy or rainy, clouds are gray. Because depending on the sun, the cloud's color changes. So the cloud's color depends on the sun. The sun gives the color of the cloud. Okay, friends. We already described this in the second fact. There are more than 100 types of clouds. Yes, friends, there are more than 100 types of clouds. Like we described in the second fact. Okay, you may not heard of this cloud yet. Nimbus clouds are dark gray and featureless layers of clouds and produces persistent rain. Persistent means like heavy rain, like we call a downpour. So nimbus clouds like look like kind of dark gray, really gray. They're kind of like stratus clouds, but they're not featureful like stratus clouds. They're featureless. And nimbus clouds are kind of a tint darker than the stratus clouds. Okay, friends, this is a hard word, but it's actually easy to pronounce. Cumulonimbus clouds cause rain. Yes, friends, cumulonimbus clouds cause rain. They cause rain. Cumulo, do you know how this cloud got its name? Cumulo, like in the cumulus clouds, and nimbus in the nimbus clouds. They cause rain. Okay, friends, the last fact. Nimbus means rain in Latin. Nimbus really means rain in Latin. So that means that they mean rain in Latin, so the nimbus clouds got its name. Okay, friends, to the next slide. How do clouds form? So, most of you might have wondered, how do clouds form? Why are they in this shape? Why are they in that shape? Okay, friends, so we'll explore this. Clouds form in one of the parts in the water cycle. So, the water cycle is that water cycle means like water comes over and over again. It goes and comes from outside the earth, inside the earth, outside in the earth, to the earth. We will dive deep into it so we can understand more about it. So, if you heard of the water cycle, you know evaporation, right? So, in the part of evaporation, we see that water vapor rises into the sky and then forms clouds. Okay, friends. So then we have this picture of water vapor so you all can see it. So do you see that white chunky thingy? That's the water vapor. Okay, friends. Clouds play main part of the water cycle. Yes, they do, friends. So I'll tell you the steps of the water cycle. Okay, friends. So now, first, the sun will evaporate the water from any water body like ponds, rivers, lakes, streams, and even oceans. Now, do you know what this one is called? This process is called evaporation. Evaporation means like the sun will evaporate. Evaporate means take away the water from any water body. Okay, friends, next. The invisible water vapor in the air condenses into visible droplets or ice crystals. This forms clouds. So we were looking at this part, right, friends? This forms clouds. Okay, friends, and this process is called condensation. Condensation means like the water condenses in and clumps together in the cloud. That forms the cloud. Okay, friends. Third step. Then, when the cloud cannot hold any more water droplets, it releases them in the form of rain, snow, or hail. Yes, friends, water can transform into like different sections like rain, snow, or hail. This process is called precipitation. So, what is precipitation? Precipitation is when the water comes back to the earth. Okay, friends, and then the very last about collection. Lastly, the water from the clouds go back to the earth and gets collected by ponds, rivers, lakes, and oceans. So any water body receives their water again. And friends, I also need to tell you something. There is also a video on the water cycle. We put it in the description so you can see it. Please check it out if you haven't yet. Okay, friends, to the next slide. Why are clouds white? So when the weather is fair or sunny, we see clouds that are white. But why are they white? Okay, friends. So the light of the sun is white in color. Right, friends? So in clouds, sunlight scatters by much larger water droplets. So the sunlight scatters by much larger water droplets. So it scatters all the colors. The clouds scatter all the colors and remains white in color. Okay, friends. So no matter how if they absorb all the colors, they could be white or black. But the clouds mainly absorb white. So sunlight continues to be white. So making the clouds appear white too. Okay, friends. Now, thank you for watching, friends. And friends, I hope you liked this video. So thank you, friends. Bye, friends.